Hi class, welcome to Module 6, Identifying Your Thesis and Using a Reverse Outline. I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving, had time to spend with friends and family, watch some football or the dog show, whatever suits your fancy. I hope everybody had a wonderful time. And now it's time to get back into the learning saddle and finish this course strong. So let's see what we have ahead for us. I would like to mention, as I mentioned from last week, that I would really love people to share their writing ideas or a sample paragraph from your draft, even though it was to be submitted by last night. A draft is never complete, so please feel free to share what you have written in order to improve your writing. As I say here, sharing ideas and receiving feedback from peers is an invaluable way to improve any kind of writing. Please feel free to post any paragraph in the other discussion board to receive feedback from your classmates and from your instructor as well. So our objectives for this week are to learn the different components of a strong thesis statement, identify your thesis statement based on critical analysis draft, create a reverse outline from your essay draft, and revise your essay using the reverse outline and the TEA, Thesis Evidence Analysis Essay format. Our tasks for this week are the 6.1 reading thesis statements. The assignment is for you to have an understanding of how to turn a claim into a thesis statement, and this reading can be done throughout the week. An activity, a graded activity for the reading, is putting into action what you have learned about thesis statements, and this is due by Sunday, the last day of the module. And then you have a second graded activity pertaining to thesis statements. In this activity, you will use a template to help construct a thesis statement, and this as well is also due by Sunday, the last day of the module. You have another reading, but this one is about using and understanding or creating a reverse outline. This reading can be done throughout the week. And the last activity, graded activity for this week, is creating and using a reverse outline. You can use the 6.4 reading to assist you with this. And essentially, you'll be putting together topic sentences, evidence, and analysis. So what is TA? TA stands for Thesis, Evidence, and Analysis. Thesis is a single sentence that expresses your answer or a controlling idea. I've also mentioned that a thesis is your stance on an issue, so think about that as well. E, evidence, use textual evidence to support your answer. So where from the text can you find evidence that supports your thesis statement? An analysis explains what is the significance of your answer to the text. How does it impact or affect the reading selection? Or what is your rationale for having this stance or using this piece of evidence? So please feel free if you would like to have me look at your reverse outline anytime during the week. If you do want to have feedback, make sure that you do not submit your document, but only keep it as a draft. It would be best to email me your draft instead. So, what is a reverse outline? In the beginning process of writing, it is suggested to outline your ideas first for your essay and then produce a draft expanding your outline. Essentially, a reverse outline is creating an outline from a draft that you have already written. By doing a reverse outline, you will recognize if all of your ideas relate back to your thesis statement. Secondly, you will be able to achieve a greater amount of objectivity by extracting the main ideas out of your draft, that is, what you have stated in your draft. If done right, the reverse outline will form a summarized version of your argument, which you can evaluate without getting bogged down by style. So what is to come for this week? I will have announcements later that pertain to creating a reverse outline, critical thinking questions pertaining to Braxma, McFadden, and Tan. I will post these in the discussion board area of our course shell, and I will have announcements about writing tips, discerning weak and strong evidence, and writing strategies for writing an introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusions. Other discussions that are possible: sharing your writing, which you can post in the discussion area, and how to use Aristotle's appeals in writing. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me via email or phone. My email is patricia.danhauer@snu.edu. My phone number is 603-203-0536. Everybody have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you in the discussion boards and receiving your reverse outlines. Thank you.